Hello, welcome to Microsoft Dynamics 365 Financial and Operation tutorial series. In this video, we'll talk about how you can add line number in your code. Okay, so as you can see that we have a class, and in this class we have few methods and few line of codes, but in the left side we want to show that line number for each and every line. So how we can do that? To add the line number, you have to go to the extension. You can see that Dynamics 365 menu is there. You have to click the option, and from the option you can see that there is a text editor you will be able to see. So if you'll go a little bit above, you can see the text editor is there, and various types of languages you can see that you can see here. But below you have to come in the X++, and in the general one you can see that there is a line number. So you have to click on the checkbox, and after that you have to click OK to reflect it, and immediately when you click OK, this line number will be added in your code. So this way you can add line number. So I hope understood how you can add line number. So thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next one.